Greetings. It is the 7th of August, 2021, and this has been completely redrawn, at least the two major sections. West Side Fish Story. It's a rumble. Lutefisk versus Gefilte. So Lutefisk, follow the arrow, is on the right. Multi-eyed, by the way. Gefilte on the left. Plus we have the addition of a number of small, kind of linear Gefilte and Lutefisk. I'll point them out here. There, 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 and there, plus some extra eyes drawn on the like diamond-shaped rubber stamps. All right. To Lord Rolston, His Grace Brooke, and Lady Mary Rolston. Viva Akiva. 24th April 2021 CE. Special. Overlooked. Please attend to. Now, what is it, like 3.5 months later, completely redone from the Gefilte and Lutefisk I had first drawn, which have been removed. All right, there you have it. The boys have gotten really quiet over there. What's going on? Oh, it's preening time. Okay. Everybody has to preen their feathers at least in the morning and afternoon. There you have it. And this is hopefully will be accepted into the Lord Rolston and Lady Mary Rolston Fine Art Collection of Culinary Art. There you have it.